It started with Kia Philippines touting the power to surprise the pandemic notwithstanding. As lockdown restrictions eased, Kia sprung a number of surprises, launching new vehicles that astonished for their design, packages of exterior and interior features, and pricing. It is to be Kia's template for overcoming the difficulties wrought by the global COVID-19 pandemic, as well as continuing to expand its network of dealership, a surprise in itself amid a shrinking market. The latest Kia surprise is the Stonic, a subcompact crossover. But the surprise is not all about the vehicle itself, but the long, slow reveal of its looks, bits of specs and details, and lately, the variants, package of amenities, and pricing. The Stonic variants, packages, pricing, and the discounts for early reservations were unveiled during the media preview of the new crossover joining Kia's local lineup. Kia Philippines President Manny Aligada explains where the Stonic fits into the market and in Kia's lineup.
The Stonic is a very interesting vehicle because, the entry-level subcompact crossovers that have been very popular lately. We have launched our own subcompact crossover, and it will sit between that and the hatchbacks that we have in our lineup and the other brands lineup. So that's where it will sit between the Rio, which is a hatch, and the Seltos, which is a compact crossover. There was a pretty huge gap because of, for obvious reasons, pricing is one, size is another. And when we were looking at the market, we saw that there was a demand for these types of design. There was also a need for practicality, especially in the new situation we're here for the last few months, and we think will extend to next year, where mobility is a critical need for most families. In fact, the working class will have that requirement. So they need access to a vehicle that is aspirational, which is a compact crossover, but they would want it more accessible in pricing. So they want the features of the Seltos at the price that is accessible, which is closer to the Rio.
At the media pre-launch, more Kia Stonic specs were revealed. There will be 3 variants: the LX with 5-speed manual transmission, the LX with 6-speed automatic transmission, and the top-of-line EX, which only comes with an automatic transmission. All 3 variants are powered by a 1.4-liter engine, generating 95 horsepower and 132 Nm of torque. The EX will have all the millennial goodies, including, among others, smart entry with push start, single-zone automatic climate control, rear parking sensor, electronic stability control, and hill start assist, an 8-inch touchscreen audio with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and 6 speakers. Rear view camera with dynamic guidelines come as a standard in all variants. Prices are 735,000 pesos for the LX manual transmission, 835,000 pesos for the LX automatic, and 925,000 pesos for the EX automatic. But a pre-launch discount chops 60K off the LX MT price and 50K off both the LX automatic and the EX automatic. The long, slow reveal of the Stonic specs and prices has generated a buzz that was a happy surprise for Kia.
We watch over the inquiry levels, especially today where social media plays a very active role in engagement for prospects, for those interested. So we're watching the trend, and there was a sudden pickup the moment media came out with the news that there's something coming, and then shortly thereafter, it was confirmed it's a Stonic. And now with the features and the pricing, given special pricing until October 15th, and the inquiry level went up, I would say better than what we had expected. So we're happy with that.
Already, reservations have been made for the Stonic. Kia believes that by the time the Stonic is formally launched by the middle of October, all incoming Stonic units will have owners waiting for them at the dealerships.
We have a first batch that will be available towards end of October. We're pretty confident all of them will be spoken for because the trending now, with today's the first, with 15 days to go, it's trending to a sellout for the first batch that's coming.
Kia believes this shows it has read the market well and that initiatives to improve after-sales service are being appreciated.
So we're very happy. The pickup is very positive and reconfirms our understanding of the market on what is important. That you give them good features at really accessible pricing, and then coupled with our offer for good after-sales service. We've worked on that over the last few months during the lockdown. So we have stocked up on all parts that are necessary. So worry-free ownership, 5-year warranty, 160,000 kilometers, the best in the business. And of course, our roadside assistance, free of charge.
Kia says it has been working hard during the lockdown to ensure its network of dealerships can safely and efficiently provide the needed and proper after-sales service to Kia vehicle owners.
The dealers have been prepared to entertain any of your inquiries, and if you come and visit them, you can make the reservations. We will officially launch on October 15th to the media, through our media friends, and to the public. And soon thereafter, the units will be available.